In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your quality score for generations in Artistly AI. Even though there isn't an actual quality score shown in the interface, you can still measure quality using the tools built into the platform. First, generate your image as usual and open the final result. Instead of looking for a score, focus on visual quality like sharpness, lighting, facial detail, and composition. If the image looks soft, blurry, or not detailed enough, the next step is to use the Upscale tool. The Upscale tool increases resolution and enhances fine details, making the image sharper, cleaner, and more professional. This is especially useful for faces, textures, and anything you want to use for thumbnails, social media, or marketing content. You can also combine Upscale with prompt enhancement if the original generation isn't strong enough. Then regenerate and upscale again for better results. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.